Hello, Fleur Allen here. I'm a business success coach. My business is called Ask Fleur. I just want to do a quick video. Now, I do weekly updates, either a business success tutorial or a Kajabi tutorial. And today I'm combining both together. And the reason is, from a Kajabi point of view, I've been forcing myself to use the community part of Kajabi. I've been resisting it, not for any particular reason other than I've been exploring other areas of Kajabi and I just hadn't made myself do it. And that is my point, to learn new technology and not just Kajabi, not just an aspect of Kajabi. That is what the technology I am learning. I've been using it for about 9 months now, but I'm always learning, and it offers a lot, and there's always things changing, which is great, always improving. But I have been admittedly procrastinating on getting to know the community part of it. So what I've done is I had set up the basics, and I've got some pretty cool challenges and everything in there. I just hadn't shared it with my clients, which is a little bit crazy. So yes, even a success coach needs a coach, and I do have one. So anyway, I digress. So my point is to just use the new technology. So what I've done is I have been using Kajabi in terms of recording one-to-one coaching clients and group coaching group online events, but I haven't been using the live filming video feature, which is what I'm using right now to film this, in the community part of Kajabi. I've just been using it in the coaching area. What I did was something that I really wanted to do for my clients, and that was to create an accountability check-in, a weekly accountability check-in for my regulars in the success community. So those people are my one-to-one clients and also my annual subscribers that come along every month to our monthly online events. That's what our community consists of. And to increase productivity, to increase accountability, and to give more back, to give more value to my regulars, I've created this online weekly check-in. So the concept is that clients can just jump in for 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, however long. I'm online for an hour, and they can come in, check in, say, this is what I achieved this week, this is what I plan on doing for next week. So just purely accountability. But the cool thing was, we had a couple of people on for the very first one. I've only had one, and unfortunately technology did challenge me, but it wasn't Kajabi's fault. It was, for some reason, my internet wasn't very good that morning, so I just have to make sure I log in earlier to test it. But we had a couple of clients meet online, and sounds like they're going to refer business to each other. So how cool is that? So that's an additional extra to them both just taking accountability and jumping on and checking in with me. I just wanted to share, in terms of a business success coach tutorial, is if you're learning new technology, just use it. As Nike would just say, just do it. And forcing yourself to use the technology, you learn it. And so with Kajabi, I'm now much more in love with the community part of Kajabi than what I was before, because I'm actually using it. And one reason why I feel much better about it is because I'm actually in the Kajabi community's community group. So Kajabi provides a community for its clients who want to learn Kajabi communities. It makes sense, right? So I'm part of that. So I'm experiencing it as a user. So now I'm much more confident to use it as the host, as the business owner, as the coach for my community, for the Ask Fleur Success Community. I'm really excited because I love bringing people together, especially my regular clients. I love in business getting to know each other on a deep level, but also to make it efficient and meaningful and to add value to their business lives. So that's the business success tutorial part of it. I'm just going to share my screen. Okay, so I'm just logging into my website, askfleur.com. I always create a personal profile, which is what I'm logging in now, into my own website so I can see what the experience is like for my clients. I recommend you do that for your business as well, especially if you're using Kajabi as your platform. And just going into my products, and here is level 1 success community. I have 2 access levels. The level 2 is for my one-to-one clients. Level 1 is for my success community. It's like a group coaching level where we have I host monthly events, and I'm much more of a facilitator than a coach. Other than on the accountability check-ins, and I'm much more a coach. So I just have different roles. So here is, I know this is my personal profile because I changed the photo. And so what I'm using Kajabi for business, which I'm really about. So I set this all up. I've been using the accountability check-in, the greeting and everything. I could probably do a much more exciting thumbnail, which will be on the list of things to do. So as a client, when we're doing, and here we've got new for 2025, I'm filming this in January. So we've literally just run one online live accountability check-in, which was last Friday. But what all you need to do is to go into meetups as a client. And here is the weekly accountability check-in. So the advantage of clicking into that is, because it's a weekly thing, you can go down and say you're attending somewhere. Here, click on attending, and then you can add it to your calendar, which I'm already doing. And then when you come on the day, 7 a.m., then you just click on live. And what that will do, it'll ask all permissions to have access to your camera and to your microphone, and it might not do that because it's already should have access. So we'll just see. Yep. So it's asking for these permissions to go through that. I'm really excited that I'm forcing myself to use it. It's not that hard. It's just an additional thing on top of everything else you're doing. My business is, this time round, I've been in business before, is been around for under a year. So, you know, the learning curve is steep, and Kajabi is new to me, although it's super user friendly. So I teach people to not make excuses, and that's what I've been doing, procrastinating and making excuses about not introducing the success community, online success community aspect of my business on through using the platform of Kajabi. So that's just a little demo for those of you who are interested in looking at Kajabi. I am an affiliate partner. So if you click on my link and you do go through and subscribe, I'd be delighted to onboard you, to get you up and running, give you some really super great, valuable, hot tips to get set up super quick. And you'll be up and running much quicker on the communities than I did myself, because now I've done it. I can just share it with you. So thanks for listening. I hope you subscribe to my channel, and love to hear your comments, love to help you out.